So hi folks, today me and a friend of mine, he helped me put this stripe to know where is the border of the land for the future eco workshop. So the workshop will be like over there, but in order for us to free space for the workshop, we need to remove this old structure that was kind of the site of a road for donkeys and for horses. They passed by through here, and we must remove this because here will be one of the walls, and I need to dig a base for the wall, for which also I'm gonna now remove this bush. Unfortunately, Eco Cob House project sometimes needs to sacrifice something. So I'm gonna clear this now, and my friend and I later will continue with removing this old wall. Kind of today is kind of windy weather, but it's hot on the sunshine, so we are happy that in the afternoon already the sun is towards the other side. Oh my god, there is one bush that wanted to cut my skin. So basically here will be the workshop, and I'm gonna show you the view now. Like from here, we come from here, like here will be one of the walls, and this is a nice view. And as in my previous video about the Eco House, I told you from there is the sunrise somewhere, and also when the moon is full moon, the moon rises just behind this lovely amazing place. And also very often we can see wild deers and female deers and their small deers going to eat the grass there. So yep, here is going to be the workshop. It's gonna be a long process now. Those of you who don't know me, my name is Hristo. I'm from Bulgaria, and we are at the beginning of my eco workshop project. And next year in spring we're gonna make the next part is going to be the Eco Cob House, which will be next to the workshop. It's going to be like over here, one big living room with like a studio room, big living room with a kitchen corner, and there's going to be second floor with 2 small bedrooms, and of course the future Eco Cob House will be connected to the future workshop. Well, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you want to follow our project. I'm gonna be sharing a lot of tips about how to build a sustainable Cob house, also how the perfect and the best options, the best way to build the Cob house, the cob material, how to mix it, and a lot of other tips for sustainable, and of course the cheapest the possible, because we're gonna use eco-friendly materials and materials from what we have available, like this fallen tree, the stones from here. I also bring stones from elsewhere, sourcing stones, and this tree is going to be made on 2 beams. That's going to be in the workshop. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, like the video if you like these videos, and of course comment below what you think about this future dream house project.